Today I tell you a story about hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Excuse me, class. I have the hiccups. I can help. Drink a glass of water. Miss Kim drinks a glass of water. Hiccup, hiccup. Excuse me, class. I still have the hiccups. I can help. Take a deep breath and hold it. Hiccup, hiccup. Excuse me. I still have the hiccups. I can help. Leave the room for a minute. May I come in? Boom! Ah! The children laugh and laugh. Hey! I don't have the hiccups anymore. But now we do. Did you have fun? Thank you for listening. Bye.